This is the new side entrance. I built this deck completely out of leftovers.
Just doing figuring.
This here, folks, is the picture of a very brave man. Not brave because he fought cancer and won, but brave because he's out here fighting the elements. The black flies are swarming, and yet here he stands. Unlike me, I don't know if I'm in a camera shot or not. Let's hope so.
They are hungry.
They are hungry. Basically, what Sam's doing is going through the piles of wood that we have from taking down other projects, trying to sort through it. We're going to cobble together a step for the new front door, which is right here. Look how beautiful that is. So we're going to see what we have that we can cobble together. I'm thinking we're going to come out probably 4 feet from the wall, probably 5-foot wide platform. Rather than having steps that come straight at the door, we're not going to do that because we really don't have a lot of parking space as it is. And so the farther it comes out from the door, the less parking space. And so we're going to have the steps come along the side here and work on it that way. One day we'd like to take it more from a deck to an actual enclosed room where we could drop our boots and hang our coats up in so that it doesn't take up space in our tiny little cabin. But for now, Sammy's going to get some stuff set up on the deck to do some sawing. We're going to scrounge around the property looking for some stones and stuff, which I know we have plenty of because I've been gathering them. And we'll see what we got to put together a deck. First part of the project, get all the nails out. I'm going back inside where it's safe. I can like see the bugs on my netting. I don't know how you're doing it. You should wear this.
Well, now you're bringing them in.
Hey Sam, look this way. That's what I'm talking about.
The shorts, the t-shirts, the flip-flops.
Just your legs and arms gonna get eaten alive. I'm not brave. I'm saying that from the safety of indoors.
They really don't have blocked your view, though.
Just doing figuring.
I figured as much.
Thinking about how I'm going to attach it, or if I'm going to attach it. Even though it's temporary, it'll be here all winter, so I'm trying to make sure moisture doesn't get into this wall. That's all.
Ugh. Sorry, gotta close the door. Bugs. One of the hardest things for us to do is to remember to film things. So I'm trying to capture whenever I hear a noise. Hey. I was just saying that we're the worst at capturing stuff on film. So when I heard noise, I thought, oh, I better get the camera back out and start filming.
You know,
I did.
I follow my thoughts.
Well, I follow you. How about that? That's kind of creepy, isn't it? Back to work.
Back to work.
I was thinking my screen looked really blurry, and then I just realized it's because I'm looking at it through a mesh bug thing. Yeah, just a little bit. The sun's finally out and it's really getting hot again. Well, yeah, I'm in full pants and a sweater just because I hate bugs. I'm gonna lend a hand. I think I need 2 hands next time.
There was a knot right there. So
Oh, okay.
it gives more resistance. That's what.
Oh, I love that smell. So we're splitting up activities tonight. After we had a nice steak dinner, we've now gone back to work, and Sammy's cutting up a storm out here. I'm not going to stay out long because of the bugs. Ugh, this is going to be really quick, and then I'm going inside to finish my job. So basically... Oh, look, you have your GoPro going. Basically, Sammy's building a platform here so that we can get out our new front door. And I took out a whole bunch of paneling in the bedroom, and I've put it there. I don't know if I'll get to that tonight, but I want to get inside. I'm going to put up some new plastic on top of the existing plastic because I'm really concerned about some of the poop I found there and some ants and everything else, and I don't want them crawling on me tonight. So I will take the plastic that's here and attempt to staple it over there and get everything tip-top. Good morning. So I love your combination of coffee and drill.
Yes.
So what day is it? I don't even know anymore.
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday. I'm signed into work, so I'm going to hop on my emails and clear those up. But I see you've got a GoPro ready, your hat on. You've got another hour or
I've
two,
got
right?
An hour. Yes.
You've got an hour. So it looks like you're probably going outside to
try and put some real legs onto that little deck. I'm trying to get as far as I can before I have to go to the hardware store. If people are watching the video, they see clearly that everything is deck screws. So I need to buy leg screws. I need to buy joist hangers, and I want to know everything I need to buy before I go to town. So I'm going as far as I can possibly go on this. But don't walk on it because there's only 5 deck screws holding it to the cot.
Noted.
And 2x4s with 1 screw in them holding it up.
What about, are you going to get like deck blocks for under the 2 legs? Or?
I just went and found a couple of patio stones, and those will do just fine for this temporary deck.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah, this is a temporary deck.
that's what I'm lining up to do right now. Actually, is swap out the 2x4s holding it up for 4x4s, and then it'll be square enough and strong enough that it will be fine. And then someday, we go to town on Thursdays.
Yeah.
So I'll go get lag screws and hangers and things that the way it should be put together. It's more than high enough off the ground to still go under it and do that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Have fun. What you got going on here, Sam?
Oh, just running a desk. see how Bluey likes charging off of a couple 100 watts of solar panels.
Oh, cool. We haven't had much conversation since we've been here about solar, but I think maybe we'll do a quick video recap of what we've got going on, maybe some of the issues we've experienced in the last 2 trips with the solar, some of the learning experiences we've had about overloading the system. But I think right now, like Sammy's got these 2 panels, which eventually will make their way up there onto the roof.
It woke up right away.
But for now, we're just seeing if we can charge the Blue Eddy with them. So far, so good.
This is the new side entrance. I built this deck completely out of leftovers. Does still need a railing to come down, but we bring in a lot of stuff in and out, so it's actually more convenient to not have one right now. So those are the stairs cut down that used to go up to the other deck. And all of the 2x4s and the 1 4x4 in the corner were all things found on the property. The deck is completely built out of 2x4s from doing demo inside the house. It won't last 10 years, but it doesn't need to. We hope to have something, a little covered porch here one day. Mudroom, come in, kick your shoes off. So I was happy to just build it out of scraps that I had around.